All across America, homeowners are tearing down existing decks and replacing them with new, more functional and innovative outdoor living spaces. At Archadeck, we've been designing and building custom outdoor living spaces for over 35 years. And as the leading national deck and porch builder with over 100,000 structures built, we know how to combine process with perfection. We have a motto at Archadeck, better building by design. But it's more than a tagline, it speaks to everything we do. We strive to create world-class client experiences with every build. And what better place to show you our process than here in Denver, Colorado. I mean, with views like this, who'd want to stay indoors? But whether you live here in Colorado, Florida, New York, or anywhere in between, our process stays the same because it's about people. The clients we work with every day, and the relationships we build along the way. Let me show you what I mean. Meet the Bravmans, Jon, Liz, and their kids, Ben, Hannah, and Oliver. They live in picturesque Golden, Colorado, just outside of Denver. And they just had a new deck built by Archadeck Outdoor Living. It's a pretty cool story. See Jon. See Jon's wife, Liz. Jon wants to sell his mountain bike. Liz wants to replace their postage stamp builder deck. See Jon post his bike online. Now see Ben. Ben wants to buy a used bike. Look, Ben, look, a bike online. Run, Ben, run to the Bravman's house. And wouldn't you know it, in the course of the sale, Ben mentions his company builds decks. Eureka!
So the problem was our deck was essentially not built properly from the initial construction and was literally falling off of the home. So we started looking for bids. We met with several different contractors who weren't really cognizant or respectful of our budget. We didn't really feel like we were listened to in regards to design features and layout, and kind of felt like I think maybe they had a little bit of a cookie cutter product that they wanted to attach to our house, and we were struggling really just finding someone that we thought and felt comfortable working with.
We felt like we hit the deck lottery with Ben.
The Bravmans really liked the idea of creating a separate space on their deck to relax and enjoy the views with their friends. So we decided to build an elevated bar area that has this raised dining ledge and really kind of pushes people up and out from the house and actually improve their views from what they had on the deck before. Another thing that we consider when designing a deck is the direction of the deck boards. And anytime that you have a level change like this, it makes a lot of sense to change the direction of the deck board so that people have a constant reminder that there's a level change that's about to happen. The Bravmans opted for some deck lighting. We have a step light with the level change up here, and then we've created a nice little surround with these cap lights around the elevated bar area.
He just went above and beyond to make sure we got the deck designed the way we wanted it.
You know, it was really refreshing to have Ben not only listen but produce a product and drawings and 3D rendering of what that deck would look like, and to see the discussion we had at our kitchen table come to life, was really something special that we didn't get elsewhere.
So that's our little story about a bike, a builder, and a beautiful deck. But our story doesn't end there. Did I mention the Bravmans have these really nice next-door neighbors, Kim Malone and Christy Jacobs? Next up, we'll meet Kim and Christy and follow their project from start to finish. from the first introduction to the big reveal. We hope that by the end you'll see why we like to say, backyard bliss is closer than you think and inspiration is everywhere.